We're here today at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep in Piqua, Ohio, looking at a 2014 Dodge Ram 1500. This Dodge Ram model is a 1500 4x4 XLT with the Bighorn package. This vehicle is equipped with the 20-inch wheels in the chrome-clad wheels with fog lights. It is a crew cab, full 4 doors. Take a look at the back. It is equipped with a 5.7 Hemi V8 engine, trailer tow package, dual exhaust, chrome tip dual exhaust coming out the back of the vehicle, locking tailgate. Again, this is the Bighorn package in a crew cab. Power sliding rear window. Take a look on the inside of the vehicle. This truck is equipped with the 8-speed transmission with the V8. Comes with power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt steering, cruise control, air conditioning, audio controls on the back of the steering wheel for your audio system. This one is equipped with the bucket seats and cloth interior, giving us a power driver's seat as well. Center console. In the rear of the truck, plenty of room in this crew cab for your rear seat passengers. Back seats do fold up with storage areas and a fold flat floor. Step inside the vehicle and get a look at the console and the dash. Again, we've got the bucket seats in the front. The 8-speed transmission now shifts with a dial. It is a 4x4 that has the automatic controls, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive lock, and 4-low. Up on the steering column, you've now got your cruise control integrated right into the steering column, as well as your information system that does show up on your display on your dash. This one is equipped with a trailer brake control, traction control, and a tow haul mode. Dual glove boxes. Step back out here and get another look at the plenty of legroom on the rear seating of this truck. One more walk around here and get another good look at the rear view of the truck. Once again, we're at Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep here in Piqua, Ohio, looking at a 2014 Ram 1500 SLT, stock number 26866T. If you have any questions, call us at 800-678-4188 and ask for Steve.